Okay, we got the clinic here today. Look at this, look at this. Look at these beauties. Yeah, that thing is huge, dude. Look at that, bitch. I took the prop, this one right here, it's barely touching here, dude. Barely, so I don't want to mess with this. I'd rather get a smaller prop. Close. Chuck's a big dude too, man. That thing, yeah, it's cold. Ooh, look at the wind on this thing. All right, my dude. Look at this. I got every freaking nut and bolt marked with nail paint. So this is the bracket I made for it. Man, that's gonna look really nice. Got my vise over there, so. Okay, guys. There's our bracket. So now I got to do the folds. Need a little hammer and we're gonna get going on this bends. But it does need to have a little bit of give, so I found this, which has a thread going up and down. I actually put a riveted thread in here, and I got this on there nicer, so in case that ever breaks off, then I got this to hold it. I added some zip ties here, and on the other side, gave it a double turn so that this won't end up over here towards the prop, which I already cut anyway, so it's not long enough to hit it. And then this bracket, the way I made it long is so it kind of does this, because this one still moves up and down. So, all right, perfect. So it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do, just go up and down a little bit. Hopefully it won't break that bracket right there. If it does, I'm gonna have to reinforce it. Much better than what it used to do, which is just hang. See how much it moves up and down? This one too, I got it all nice and adjusted. Carburetor was kind of pointing down and it made this whole thing kind of droop. So I turned it in a way that it picks up the carburetor, kind of points it this way a little bit. And then so now I got this nice and straight, right? So this thing here, it kind of had a like really janky cord that was elastic. So what I did now is I used this again. I used my own cord, and now I kind of did a double wraparound so it doesn't come apart, or so that this area here doesn't start turning this way and hitting the prop. And I cut this in a way where this won't hit the prop at all. So the prop is here. There's the prop. So it's way over here if it ever were to turn around. So I think we're all good with this. The only thing I need to finish is get more electrical tape, finish this off, which I don't really care about. It looks okay, but so all right, went right through her, cleaned her up. The other thing was this thing broke here. That was a plastic and that thing was just corroded. So I don't know what I was doing, but all of a sudden gas started gushing out. I was like, what the heck? So I looked, and yeah, this thing was just hanging because this was plastic and it broke. So luckily I had one of these that fit perfect, same threads, exact same size for the hose. So I was stoked. That's why I like to keep stuff around, you know. Dude, look what I found in all this. Boom. Oh snap, same fucking size. Look at that. Oh shit. I looked through my brass fittings and there it was, and I have two actually. So if that ever happened again, which I doubt because it's now brass, then I have an extra. Stoked. Everything's tidy. Now I just need to start putting some nail paint on the bolts so that I can tell that if anything starts to get loose, then I'll know.